What if I told you your avatar could walk, pose, and slay outfit changes without spending a single cent? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn a basic static avatar into a stylish animated character. No code, no cost. Let's dive in.
Head over to the Kling AI website, click on Video. In the Frames section, upload the avatar image you just prepped. I showed in part 1 how to generate your avatar image for free. If you haven't seen that part, go check it out. I will leave the link in the description box below. Type in your prompt. Use a short, clear prompt. I will leave the prompt in the description box below as well. And make sure you are using Model 1.6. Hit Generate. When you use Kling AI at non-peak hour, especially early in the morning and late at night, the generation is very fast, as you can see. It only takes 1 minute to generate the video. As you noticed in generated video, our avatar starts walking only at the very end. However, we want her to walk for most of the video. To fix this, you can either tweak the prompt a little bit and hit generate again, or second option, go to the AnyFrame Extractor website and upload your video. Once your video is uploaded, extract the very last frame of the video and download it. Upload the final frame. Go back to Kling AI and upload the image you just extracted. Update the prompt. Change it up a bit. Type in tracking shot of a woman walking forward while talking, maintaining eye contact with the camera, and demonstrating with both her hands. Hit Generates again. Keep your settings the same and start a new animation. And voila, it's perfect now. Just download the video. Now it's time to give your avatar a fresh new look, so that your avatar is not stuck with same outfit in every video. Here are 2 simple ways to switch things up. Head to Kling AI. Just like before, open Kling AI. Update the outfit via text prompt. In your prompt, describe the new outfit you want your avatar to wear. For example, a cheerful girl wearing a red hoodie and jeans, standing confidently, or if you got a photo of the clothes you want your avatar to wear, upload that instead. Kling AI will use it to dress your avatar accordingly. Click on Clothes and upload the image of your avatar, and then upload image of the garments you want your avatar to wear. I will select single garment option, as I want my avatar to wear this floral dress. Once you are happy with the image, just click Download. Now has a brand new outfit. Option 2. Head over to a website called Face Swap. Upload your avatar image, then simply type in the outfit you want. Like, for example, I want her to wear a floral dress, and it will generate the new look for you. It looks perfect, just simply download the image.
So you just saw how easy it is to make your avatar walk and change outfits. Pretty cool, right? Now, I didn't show how to lip sync or create your avatar image in this video, and that's because I already covered it in my first tutorial. If you haven't seen that one yet, I highly recommend checking it out. It'll give you the full picture. All right, now for the bonus tip I promised. Here's how you can get unlimited credits on Kling AI using just a single email address. Let's go.
Go to a website called freegmail.netlify.app. I recommend using a secondary Gmail address for this. Just enter your Gmail and the site will generate thousands of variations of it. Copy these variations into a Google Doc for easy access. Each time you use one of them to create a new Kling AI account. The verification code will still be sent to your primary Gmail inbox. To keep things simple, I also suggest using the same password for each variation. And just like that, boom, you've got 166 new credits. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Up next, I'll show you how to create a consistent character for free. See you there.